Hi everyone, I'm just popping on quickly to let you know about a December offer that I've got for my UK Stampin' Up customers. So for anybody that shops with me in the month of December through my Stampin' Up shop, the address is here and I will put it on the screen as well in a few minutes. If you spend £50 or more before P&P and you use this host code, which again I will put on screen, once December has finished, I will draw 2 names at random on the 1st of January for anybody that met the qualifying conditions. I will send you a take your pick tool. Now this is a multi-purpose tool that's available in our annual catalogue here on page 159. The number 1 take your pick tool. It's £9 and basically it's brilliant. So it comes with this putty end which you roll out to release some putty, then you loosen it off to stop the putty from coming through, and then this helps you pick up small, gems or sequins or even little bits of card that, it will hold them in place while you position them somewhere else. And it's got this little clear lid. And then on the other end, you get 2 different tools. So you get these just slide in and then twist to lock. And it shows you there's an unlock and a lock. You've got the piercing tool on one end. Then when you put this in and lock it round, you've got this little spatula. So all handy little tools that you can use on a day-to-day basis. And then it also comes with this as an extra, and this is a double-ended ball tool. So again, it slides in and locks, and you've got a thicker ball tool end on one end and then a slightly thinner one on the other. And then it also comes with a spare putty refill for this end. You can buy the refills separately in a 2-pack, so this isn't of no use once this one runs out and this one runs out. You can buy refills, and then obviously you've got the different ends. I, to be honest, tend to use the piercing tool more than I do the ball tool ends, but they are handy to have. So just to go over the criteria again, you've got to shop with me in the month of December, so any time between the 1st and the 31st of December in my online Stampin' Up shop. You have to spend £50 or more before your postage and packing, and you have to use this host code. If you the qualifying spend but don't use the host code, I'm afraid you won't be entered. So the 2 main criteria are the spend and the host code. On the 1st of January, I will go through everybody that lives in the UK that shopped with me, that met those 2 qualifications, and I will draw 2 names at random. And in January, I will send one of these tools to each of 2 people. Hope that's quite clear. I will do a blog post about it as well, and I'll put all the criteria in the blog post. Anyway, so that's my December offer. One other thing I'd just like to mention, January 2021 will start the Celebration catalogue, and in January it's 2 years since I joined Stampin' Up. So for the month of January, I will also be having some other offers that will apply to everybody that shops with me, and there'll be a couple of different offers, so look out for those in January. But this is my December offer. It's going to be, as I say, offered to 2 people, and you've got to spend £50 or more before postage and packing, and you have to use this host code. I'll draw 2 names on the 1st of January, and I'll send each of the people drawn one of these take your pick tools. Okay, thanks a lot, bye.